the box that it came in, and this was the Iron Man one. So it came with the Iron Man game, which is super cool. Really fun to play. We've all tried it. My, you know, my kids, my husband, myself. And this explains to you what all it comes with. It comes with a cleaning cloth, AC adapter, AC power cord, the Move motion controllers. So yeah, this was a great bundle. I mean, this was straight out of the box, really easy to use and super fun. It's a nice box. It's well, you know, constructed. We'll keep this so that if we ever need to pack it in the future, there's a safe place. Our PlayStation by Sony VR headset. So it comes with the VR headset. It does not come with a controller. It comes with 2 of the VR controllers. It comes with this box to adapt it to the PlayStation, which is not included. So headset, controllers, box, and then this attachment for the TV and the little holder that it goes on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 components to it. The headset itself is super comfortable. It needs to be cleaned, as you can see. It adjusts in size. It has these earplugs, which one piece came off. Yeah, it has the earplugs that you can either put in here to get out of the way, or you can put in your ears. There's a ton of different games you can play with it. You power it on by pushing that power button, and then it projects the VR onto your television. So you have to have a pretty, not huge, but a decent sized area to play. And it's super cool. It's very realistic. I've used it before and I can't handle it because it's way too realistic, but my kids love it. It's fun. It's a great alternative to, you know, the other VR equipment that's out there, especially if you already have a PlayStation, because it, you know, connects and deconnects, really connects and disconnects easily and quickly. So yeah, I give it 5 stars. It works really well. We don't have any problems with it. No glitches, no defects, and it's super fun and super cool. And we have this one, and then we also have the other popular VR headset, and my son and daughter can play together. So they do work on certain games where, you know, they can be in the same house, but it's more fun to be playing in VR together than in real life. So there you go. That's the PlayStation VR headset.